The 8th Judicial Veterans Treatment Court held a ceremony in Great Falls today. Two graduates were Vietnam-era veterans, Marvin Harris and Jeffery Osborne. Judge Greg Pinski noted about 250,000 veterans from that era suffer from the effects of PTSD. MTN's Josh Meny went to the celebration and brings us more on one graduate's life.
A majority of the mentors in the Veterans Treatment Program are Vietnam vets, but many veterans from that era are still struggling. Marvin Harris entered the Vietnam War at the age of 18 and spent 14 months as a combat medic. When he got back, he went to college and then operated a chiropractic practice for 27 years.
I didn't really understand what was wrong with me. I realized I must be broken, but I just buried that, worked, and that was my therapy for an undiagnosed treatment.
Shortly after Marvin retired, problems from PTSD flared up. His wife left him, and he became estranged from his children.
Lack of good, constructive things with my family. I did make time to go fishing and hiking somewhat, but it was always a hurry.
Marvin was diagnosed with PTSD, bipolar disorder, and depression. One night, while off his meds, Marvin caused a car accident. He fled the scene and ended up stealing a rental car to get home. After being booked for felony theft, Marvin went into the Veterans Treatment Court program. After 14 months of therapy, group sessions, getting back on track with his meds, Marvin graduated and his violation was expunged.
I just feel wonderful. I've had the privilege of getting my daughter and family back after 12 years of estrangement, and I'm just delighted with what has happened. I'm happy. I'm not isolating. I'm attending my groups and continuing therapy. So I just can't thank the court experience enough.
For many of these courageous vets, settling for jail time would be the easier route. But instead, by entering the program, they choose accountability and put in the effort to regain their core values and become healthy, productive members of society again. In Great Falls, Josh Meny, MTN News.